He forces my clients, my lord, to execute the deed in his favor. In the process, my lord, his house is ransacked. The woman persons in the house are attacked. He is not being able to cultivate his land, my lord, because, my lord, they say that they will not allow him, number one. Number two, my lord, they want to reap off whatever produce is there, my lord.
From the pocket, even then your police did not find any cognizable offense. Huh? Only 107, which means that the police is hiding the private respondents.
Can you give me 1 day? I'll come back.
The
You
respondent,
serve the
No, I am
duties of
for this.
yes, ma'am.
state.
All the respondents have been submitted, but my lord, the rest,
Washing Kumar Doctor.
my lord, the petitioner before your lord.
One minute. You are for 15.
15 private.
There are so many. You are not there for them.
No, my lord. Respondent number 15 they have.
Tushar Kanti Bagh. But then the other Baghs are also there. Mondal, Maiti. What is your grievance?
Well, my grievance is that, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a 68-year-old gentleman, my lord. And he, along with both his brothers, owns about 23 bighas of land, my lord. What has happened? The second brother has died in the year 2018. Now in 2022, my lord, a neighbor comes up and say that the second brother has taken money and has not executed deed. And he forces my clients, my lord, to execute the deed in his favor. In the process, my lord, his house is ransacked. The woman persons in the house are attacked. He is not being able to cultivate his land, my lord, because, my lord, they say that they will not allow him, number one. Number two, my lord, they want to reap off whatever produce is there, my lord. And, my lord, he is not being allowed even to go to the market, my lord. He's being continuously abused. My lord, I have been complaining to the police since 2022, my lord. I have even been able to, my lord, forced to serve a
Show your
advocate's note.
complaint.
My lord, may kindly have a look at page 83 of first complaint is at page 83, my lord. Is a
Let me see the police report, please. Yes, 83.
My lord, it's the translated version, my lord.
Yes.
And you would see, my lord, page 83, my lord, I'm placing. I, Shurojit Bagh, son of such and such, am a resident of village.
After this, did anything happen?
My lord,
After the
yes, my lord, I have
complaint?
been, my lord, I am constantly under the
No,
threat.
no.
of-
Did the police take any steps?
No, my lord, that
This is
my
your
grievance.
grievance.
Yes, my lord, only they have registered GD, my lord.
It appears the meeting was held between all the family members because the other
How do you get to know?
that is from the report I am seeing. What-
How did the police get to know? Was the police present in the meeting?
The police had visited and inquired into the issue.
All right.
Thereafter came to know there was a because what I have understood, I have to take further instruction. Understood other brothers' family, the other brother are willing to sell off the property. That is the bone of contention. When others are willing, he is possibly not helping, or at least in the report itself, initially he also agreed to sell off. That is the report.
Now he has backtracked.
Possibly, yes,
Whatever.
whatever.
Yes, now there is a complaint. You take steps.
Absolutely, we have to take steps because it says also that he alleges assault. The police could not find any proof of it. That is also there.
The police could not find proof.
To that extent of assault, but police is investigating.
What type of proof is required? Medical
has to be
medical statement or something.
Something on record. Something on record. I'm not saying assault always medical is not. No, it cannot be. I cannot go to that extent. But something has to be there. But I'll take further instruction in this matter because I just it's my fault. The June
17th March 24. What is your submission?
My lord, I am not residing in this premises right now in Golgram. I reside in Kolkata. I heard that there is an incident happened, but
Is he your brother?
yes, third brother. But
And are you supporting the petitioner?
I am supporting the petitioner because I am the third brother. But I stay in Kolkata from many years back. I heard that there is an incident going on, but I don't have to say anything because.
My lord, I have no grievance against my brothers, my lord, or my family members, my lord. It is the respondent number 8, who is a henchman of the area, my lord, who is creating all the trouble. But even if for argument's sake, I take it, my lord, that my second brother has taken money, my lord, for that, my lord, how can I be penalized for that, my lord? That is my humble submission, my lord. The woman folk of my family are being constantly
Please come.
harassed.
But then your complaint, why? Where are all those things mentioned
Yes,
in
my
your
lord, in
complaint?
series of complaints, my lord.
Give me
Straight away from 83 onwards, my lord.
83.
83, my lord, is the English version, my lord.
Yes,
My lord,
only
first, may I place it, my lord?
they were bent upon assaulting us and
My lord,
started
first
to
and foremost,
cry
my lord, uprooted the pillars and the post of
forcibly.
the area, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, filthy language. I started to cry.
Snatched the phone from the pocket. Even then, your police did not find any cognizable offense. Huh? Only 107, which means that the police is hiding the private respondents.
My lord, kindly give me 1 day. I'll come back on Tuesday.
Please come. The petitioner is a senior citizen. Yeah. He alleges that the private respondent numbers
8 to 14, my lord.
8 to 14 are threatening him with dire consequences and compelling him to sign documents for sale of a land in their favor. Stop. The petitioner lodged repeated complaints before the police, but alleges that no action has been taken. Stop. Paragraph. The first complaint of the petitioner clearly mentions that the private respondents uprooted the pillar post of the land and assaulted him. Stop. They snatched away the mobile phone from his pocket. Stop. When his family member came to rescue the petitioner, the said family member was pushed away and was threatened to be killed. Stop. Next. The paddy standing over the subject field has been damaged and destroyed by the private respondents. Stop. The petitioner is losing his source of income because of destruction of the paddy over his plot of land. Stop. Paragraph. None represents the respondent numbers 8 to 14. Stop. The respondent number 15 is one of the brothers of the petitioner. Stop. The writ petitioner does not have any grievance against the respondent number 15. Stop. Next. I have perused the report filed by the officer in charge, Debra Police Station, signed on 26th of June 2024. Stop. The report mentions about the number of visits the petitioner made to the police station. Stop. The police diarized the complaint of the petitioner but did not register any FIR. Stop. Only the prosecution under section 107 CRPC was submitted via Debra PS NCR number 232/24 dated 22nd March 2024 against the respondent numbers 8, 9 and 10. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the police is not taking proper steps to investigate the complaint filed by the petitioner. Stop. Despite disclosure of cognizable offences, the police merely diarized the matter and did not proceed any further. Stop. The so-called inquiry, as reflected in the report, appears to be an eyewash. Stop. The petition, the respondent numbers 9, 10, 12 and 13 are the Shabhapati, Sampadak and Koshadakya of the village committee. Stop. Because of the influence of the private respondents, the police is possibly not taking any steps in response to the complaint filed by the petitioner. Stop. Next. The matter is made returnable once again on 15th of July 2024. Stop. The police is directed to conduct a thorough investigation and file a report before this court on the adjourned date. You give a copy of this report to your learned friend.
Today I'm not having it. I'll hand it.
Yes. Service
I know.
taken on record.